Mine rescue members risk their lives to save others during underground fires. Before sealing off an area, strategy is discussed and the area planned out and shown to all the members of the Proto team. Proto team members rely on products such as Ventseal and Aerocell because they are easy to transport. They are lightweight and equally easy to use. They can be carried to the spot where a seal is to be built and are ideally suited to creating airtight barriers and chimneys. Ventseal is a versatile sealing spray foam. Apart from being used to create airtight ventilation seals and chimneys during underground fires, Ventseal has an unlimited number of applications in the day-to-day mining environment. Ventseal, together with Aerocell, is extensively used to seal off old worked areas where the electricity, water and other support services have been removed. Ventseal is ideal for creating airtight seals in hard-to-reach places or around irregularly shaped obstructions, such as where ventilation and other pipelines run through stoppings and ventilation barriers. Porous surfaces are easily sealed using Ventseal. Its ability to adhere to a wide variety of different surfaces, including dusty rock and wood, gives it the edge over other products. Ventseal keeps its integrity when compressed and can span large gaps if the foam is built up in layers. When it comes to patching crack block brick stoppings or sealing the top of these stoppings against the hanging, Ventseal is the answer, especially where brick stoppings are continually cracked due to movement of the hanging. Ventseal is an outstanding thermal insulant. Ventseal can be carried in a custom-made PVC backpack, making it easy for an operator to move from seal to seal during routine seal inspection and maintenance. Aerocell is a South African company that is committed to the development, manufacture and supply of quality products, firstly to the South African market and secondly to international markets with the emphasis on quality products and service for our customers. Aerocell was established in 1984 and has supplied 2 component spray foams to the South African mining industry since 1986. On 16 September 1986, 177 lives were lost when in situ urethane foam burned, releasing toxic gases during an underground fire on Kinross gold mine. Urethane spray foams were subsequently banned from use in underground mines in South Africa. Ventseal was launched in 1996 after 3 years of intense research and became the first spray foam to be approved by the South African government mining engineer for permanent underground installation since banning. The toxicity and fire properties of Ventseal have been extensively tested by the South African Council of Scientific Investigation and Research. Ventseal is produced in South Africa and is also exported internationally for use in various mining industries for ventilation control. In 2001, Aerocell bought ML Projects and Manufacturing Pty Limited, a lead nitrate manufacturing company, and have supplied lead nitrate to the South African mining industry since. Aerocell developed a unique pepper fog defense system for the cash-in-transit industry. The system was launched in 2006 and has proved to be very successful. Aerocell continued to develop new, innovative products for the mining and industrial markets. Ventseal spray foam packs are self-contained 2-component spray foam pack. The pack consists of 2 lightweight cylinders containing an isocyanurate catalyst and a polyol resin, a dispensing gun, a kit containing 4 spare nozzles, a pair of safety gloves, goggles and the instruction leaflet. The foam produced by a Ventseal pack sets within 10 seconds and is rigid within 1 minute. It is soft pink in color and mechanically strong, especially when applied in conjunction with Aerocell ventilation panels. Duracell ventilation panels are lightweight, expanded metal screens with a fire-retardant woven polypropylene backing. Each panel weighs approximately 2 kilograms and has a standard dimension of 2.5 meters by 0.6 meters. The panels are erected against supports and act as ventilation barriers or structural support for VentSeal spray foam. Other products include fire hose manifolds, PVC carry bags for VentSeal, pepper fog defense system, frontline odor warning system. How to use VentSeal spray foam. The operator must wear all the correct protective clothing and equipment before attempting to use VentSeal. These include protective clothing such as an overall, safety goggles and watertight gloves, a disposable filter mask for organic vapors or self-supporting respirator should be used when spraying VentSeal in confined areas or in areas where ventilation is slow. Shake the box well before use. Approximately 30 seconds is sufficient. Then open along the perforation in the front of the box. With the box in the upright position, remove the gun and kit. Open both cylinder valves fully and check that the chemical flows into each line. Do not remove cylinders from the box. Disengage the safety lever. Aim the nozzle at the area to be sprayed, with the nozzle about 1 meter away from the surface. Squeeze the trigger to begin spraying. Surfaces to be sprayed should be free from oil, grease and water. Remember that the pack will not spray properly if the chemical in the cylinders is below 15 degrees centigrade. Therefore, make sure that the pack is stored above 20 degrees centigrade at least 12 hours before spraying begins. When filling gaps or spraying large areas, begin spraying at one point and keep moving to an end point. Repeat this action until the gap is filled or the required thickness has been attained. The foam expands about 20 times in a 10-second period, and overspray at any point will be wastage. During spraying, foam may build up on the tip of the nozzle. When this happens, replace the nozzle with a new one. When spray is interrupted for more than 5 seconds, replace the nozzle before continuing. Failure to do so will result in foam being formed in the gun hose and the pack will become useless. Short bursts of spray at 5-second intervals will keep the nozzle clear. How to fit a nozzle. Engage safety lever on the gun. With gun handle in one hand, pull breech backward until trigger pivots upwards. Remove clogged nozzle. Position new nozzle over gun handle, ensuring that holes in nozzle are lined up with pins. Squeeze nozzle firmly down over pins. Push breech forward until nozzle clicks into place. Do not allow the chemical from one pin to drip onto the other, as foam will then form and block that pin. Follow these instructions and you will get the full benefit from your VentSeal spray foam pack. Remember, always wear personal protective equipment when using VentSeal. Always spray with the cylinders upright and do not remove them from the box. The pack must be stored at above 20 degrees centigrade for at least 12 hours before being sprayed. Never spray with a blocked nozzle. Always change the nozzle once you have stopped spraying for more than 5 seconds. The foam forms from a chemical reaction at 140 degrees centigrade, so do not spray onto open skin. If the foam does not react or is slow to react, or there is only one chemical ejected when spraying, stop immediately and refer to the troubleshooting guide in the instruction leaflet. If the pack does not perform as it should, stop spraying. Close the cylinder valves. Complete the troubleshooting checklist on the last page of the instruction leaflet. Contact Aerocell to collect the pack for analysis. How to build a seal using vent seal spray foam and Duraseal. Place vertical support props securely in position. Spacing between supports should not exceed 1 meter. Insert a manhole where required and fasten it to the support. Shape or bend the Duraseal panel to fit the side wall or roof. Place the panel against the support and fasten the panel to the support by looping wire around the support, pushing it through the panel when tying. Fit and tie each panel until the haulage is closed off. Duraseal panels should overlap at least 100 millimeters. Follow the vent seal instruction leaflet and seal the perimeter of the ventilation seal using vent seal spray foam. All gaps between the walls and the Duraseal must be filled. Use vent seal spray foam to seal all joints where the Duraseal panels overlap. When required, spray the whole seal with foam to at least 25 millimeters thickness. Test thickness by using wire as a depth gauge. Always spray vent seal on the wire side of the Duraseal panel. The Duraseal panels must always be fastened and sprayed on the positive pressure side of the supports.